am Renzo.
And I'm Papa. And welcome to another episode of Cooking with Renzo. Renzo, what are we doing today? Making. What are we making?
Tuna sandwich.
Okay, we're gonna make a tuna melt sandwich. The ingredients we're gonna be using today are olive oil, mayo, mustard, parsley, oregano, cilantro. We're gonna be using tuna, of course, and what is this? Bao, the bread. Okay, there you go. So let's start with the tuna. Okay, you hold this one. I'm gonna open the tuna for you, and you're gonna mix, okay? There we go. I'm gonna put it with the oil to give a little bit of moisture. Okay, and you're gonna grab with the spoon like that. Okay, there we go. First one, I put the oil, and the second can I'm actually gonna be removing a bit of the oil so it doesn't get too moisty. Okay, and when the oil is removed, we will put the second can of tuna. There we go. It smells so good, huh? You like the smell?
No.
No? Everything's to taste, okay? There's no exact amount. We're gonna put to taste and let's see what happens. Okay, help me put the oregano. Put a little bit. There we go, like that. Well done. Okay, now we're gonna do a bit of parsley. One more. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Is it enough? That's enough? Okay.
This one for this one. This one for this one.
Yes, now we're gonna put the mustard. Let me help you open. There you go. Whoa. Okay, squeeze. Squeeze. Make sure your mustard doesn't explode like ours. There we go. Just a little drop. Now we're gonna put the cilantro. Put all the cilantro in. Use your spoon to help. There you go. Well done. Well done. Try to put most of the ingredients inside the bowl and not on the outside. Okay. Now we're gonna put a bit of mayo. There you go. Renzo, mayo. You're gonna squeeze the mayo. Squeeze. Okay, we're using baby mayo. That's our favorite mayo from Japan, but you can use any mayo you want. The more mayo you put, the more diluted it's gonna be, the more moisty. So it's up to you to find that balance. So now I put the mayo. We're gonna mix a bit, hold tight, and mix. Okay. Mix. Okay, Renzo. Show your body. There you go. So maybe a little bit more mayo. You want more mayo? Yeah. So squeeze. There you go. Perfect. Now finally, let's put the olive oil. Okay. Just a little bit to give a little taste. There we go. Extra virgin olive oil. And guess what we do? What we do now? Mix. Okay, let's show everybody what does it look like now, right? Okay, there you go. Show them. Renzo, show. Yay! Good job. Now we're gonna put the tuna on the bread. There you go. You gonna help? Okay, there you go. Woo. There you go, that's enough, okay? Spread. More? No, that's enough. That's looking good. Basically, we are using sesame bread. But you can use any bread you like. You know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna put some Parmesan cheese and make a tuna melt. There you go. job, Renzo. Yummy? Close. Okay. Gently squeeze. Great job, Renzo. Now we're gonna put on the fire. We're gonna use a frying pan, okay? Fantastic. Thank you very much, Renzo. Okay, and this is gonna go to the fire. So the tuna went to the frying pan. It's on medium heat, and I'm gonna cover. There we go. And now we wait. Wait dance. Wait dance. Wait dance. Couple wait dance? Okay. 1, 2, 3, flip.
Oh, flip.
And it's ready to go. Tuna melt sandwich is ready. And guess what? We also got some crackers here. So we can have tuna with crackers or tuna melt sandwich with bread if you prefer. So yourself, okay? There we go. Wow, Renzo. Wow, look at that. Oh. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Sandwich dance, friends. Sandwich dance. Sandwich dance.